Well, hello there. Yes, how are you doing today? Good afternoon and many greetings here from Kenya, East Africa, right from the center of my village, Mbuyangat. My name is Teto Oletutuma, and I'm glad that you're joining me here at the Teto Tutuma Show. I'm a performing artist, I'm an entrepreneur, social entrepreneur to be precise, and a parent too. And I'm glad that you can join me on these media channels, social media channels. Yeah, I remember one time I had a dream of putting my village, this sleepy Mbuyangat, on the global scene. I wasn't sure that this was how I was going to start. I'm so glad that, this is how I'm starting it. So yes, subscribe below at the Teto Tutuma Show, and we'll be together. I'm going to share with you a lot about me as an artist, my creative work. I'm also going to share with you some of my personal triumphs and challenges, and most importantly, I'm going to share with you most about what causes I believe in. I believe in conservation and environment, and I believe in the importance of culture as a language. I'm representing Maasai, yes, from East Africa, Kenya. My name is Teto Oletutuma. Subscribe below, yes, and let's stay together. Peace.